Golem is a decentralized organization with a gathering of best programming designers who foster programming and innovation arrangements internationally. It makes a worldwide market for processing power, and the figuring assets are open across the stage. It gives decentralized microservices and non-concurrent task execution. Adaptable apparatuses assist the designers with making an appropriate and furthermore adapt their product arrangements. This multitude of administrations are accessible for an expense relatively not as much as contenders. The Golem environment plans to give programming advancement, AI, and logical estimation, which are the eventual fate of web blockchain, accessible and available for everybody. Golem was presented in Switzerland in the year 2016 by the Golem Plant. It was helped to establish by Julian Zawistowski, Andrzej Rogilski, Peter Janiuk, Alexander Skr Zipczak. The organization sent off in 2018, and the ICO cost of GNT around then was 1 penny. At the point when the frenzy of digital money was controlled, Golem detonated from its cost levels. What's more, GNT displays an unexpected meeting to $1, which was astonishing, and an overbought position for another cryptographic money around then. The environment incorporates individual and expert software engineers, Golem application library, requesters, and suppliers. Golem Undertaking's local coin is called GLM, which was moved from GNT. Elements of Golem: the adaptable open-source Golem stage permits distributed networks, which give awards to both application proprietors and clients to lease suppliers' assets. It is portrayed by availability, open access, restriction-safe convention, and adaptability. The relentless environment is a help for programming designers. SDK assists with grasping their inventiveness and exhibitability to the world. The registering power can be mulled over as the two frameworks as a help and programming as an assistance. The installment frameworks are effectively available, modest, quick, and secure. The supplier establishment has been set up on the Ethereum mainnet, so when the supplier dispatches it, he will get a GLM token as a prize. On October 11, 2021, they reported the Beta 3 delivery, which upholds VPN and client use administration. The organization has presented Thorg, the main mining application worked in Golem, which is hoping to give more elevated level local area commitment. Golem leads a prize administration program much of the time, which guarantees constructing a gigantic client base for the stage. The guide of the Golem has been isolated into metal, dirt, stone, iron. It has teamed up with speculative chemistry with a venture called Get to Know Life at Golem. Golem put stock in the chances of Web3 and joined forces with Crowd, which is a specialist in the game improvement field. They have been related with better advancements in the framework. Its gone on up degree in innovation guidelines gives programming designers to track and run with the product development world. Market status of Golem. The market cap of Golem is $399,187,312.82, with a circling supply of 1 billion GLM. Right now, a large portion of the computerized coins are exchanging red and level after a monstrous meeting. Just certain coins are up on the week because of the positive declarations. GLM gave a 8% revisitation of their financial backer over the most recent half year and 3% pessimism last week. Despite the fact that it requires an additional 3 years to cross the unsurpassed high of GLM on Golem cost forecast, it ought to be noticed that the plan of action and administrations given by the stage are profoundly demandable. The contemporary innovation world is taking a gander at the decentralized framework and progressed blockchain innovation stage, which likewise has huge development potential. Specialized investigation of Golem. The Golem cost today is around 39 cents, and it confronted a slight remedy with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,119,492.79. The most extreme cost as of now is enrolled at 43 cents, and the base cost is 39 cents. The record-breaking exorbitant cost at which Golem GLM exchanged is $1.25, which was in 2018. An everything time low is noted at $0, which was in 2016. Verifiable information and the specialized examination mirror that in the month-to-month outline from 2018 to 2022, Golem cost has on around base development executing little worth exchanges. The GLM cost rise has seen bullish toward the start of the year. From June 22, 2021, the cost of the Golem has started an upturn which wound up at a cost of 78 cents from 76 cents low. Then after a cost revision on Golem tokens took support at 50 cents with a morning star development. Yet, the upturn couldn't be supported, and GLM cost began moving sideways for the last not many exchanging meetings. Investigating the opposition and backing levels on the day-to-day graph, the following obstruction level is 49 cents. In the event that GLM cost can cross the close-term obstacle, it can test the obstruction level at 60 cents. The prompt help level is 34 cents, and the significant help level is 27 cents. Dread and insatiability record is 45. Significant specialized pointers for momentary cost expectations on the everyday outline information. Relative strength list is 35.13. MACD line is beneath the sign line. The cost of Golem is under 20 EMA, 50 EMA, and 200 EMA. In view of specialized examination and GLM cost expectation, despite the fact that the ongoing cost of Golem digital currency is reasonably negative, the high gamble of GLM coin doesn't give a legitimate sign or affirmation on cost change. Financial backers and dealers can hold on to affirm the pattern over the obstruction level prior to making a transient venture. In view of the close-term Golem gauge, it is normal to exchange sideways for a brief time frame on the off chance that no news or digital currency market bullishness is supported. Golem value forecasts 2022 to 2026. Golem cost expectations for the future show that a productive speculation gives a decent revisitation of the long haul. Conjectures for a considerable length of time show Golem GLM be valued at 77 cents, which is multiple times productive than its ongoing worth. According to specialists' conjectures, put resources into Dunk and sit tight at changes in costs. The cost-volume pattern of the drawn-out cost graph from 2018 to 2021 appears to be intriguing. Note the critical cost change on the diagram. The cost-to-volume marker is exceptionally unstable, which shows some time the coin has been controlled, and cost and volume have errors in conduct. Presently, regardless of whether the cost is attempting to push high, the volume has not expanded much contrasted with past exchanging areas. The purpose for such a contention is the high unpredictability of the crypto market, which varies for each and every adjustment of the economy. Throughout the time span, digital forms of money are supposed to be profoundly demandable since they nullify the worries, exchange time, and charge of government-issued types of money. Golem value forecast 2022. Golem gauge information for 2022 is decently bullish. The base GLM cost could reach 49 cents. Golem merit effective money management to contact a limit of 56 cents. In light of the drawn-out gauges, the Golem will exchange with a typical cost of 52 cents. Brokers can put resources into Golem for the medium term to acquire critical benefits from their speculation. Golem crypto value forecast 2023. The cost expectation Golem for 2023 from all specialists guessing that the Golem cost will raise a ruckus around town value level of 63 cents. The typical cost and least cost of Golem for 2023 is 58 cents and 53 cents separately. GLM value expectation 2024. Interest in any monetary road generally expects the worth of the organization will increment in the long haul. Essentially, brokers and financial backers can expect a cost ascend later on cost of Golem. In 2024, Golem could exchange with a typical cost of 61 cents and is supposed to outperform 72 cents around the same time according to our conjecture. Golem coin value forecast 2025. Golem devotees are bullish on the Golem estimate for 2025. Golem cost dominates the most extreme degree of 88 cents. The base cost and normal cost could reach 69 cents and 78 cents separately. Crypto is known as the fate of monetary standards. The whole crypto market is anticipated to be bullish for the year.